to make a C. First, you need something.
C for animals, not the letter C, not this C.
Yeah. First, you need something to use to cut. I'm using this. It's Tiya, but Tiya let me do it. And you need Play-Doh because we are making the C out of Play-Doh. You don't need this much color. You just need a blue and a yellow. I don't know where my Tiya yellow goes. So I see it. So you also need yellow. You just need blue and yellow, but I put all the Play-Doh that I can find in here. Okay, let's get started. First, you need glue for the C, of course. Blue, squishy. You might need all the blue. Okay, spread it out, spread it out, spread it out. I'm not Tiya, I'm just Tiya's friend. Winnie.
Best friend.
Best friend. Okay, let's spread it out. We need to make it a square. You don't have to make it a square, but just like me. I'm not trying to make a square. I can color to a square. That's why we got our color. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. We got blue here. Now let's get our colors out and color to a square, a big square. Cut. Got one piece. And just a little bit over here. You can color to whatever shape you want to, but you don't have to.
Talk more. Come on, let's talk. So they know what you're doing.
Okay, let's keep cutting. Okay, I'm done. Okay, now you should have a square like this. I'll take the pills. Okay, now we'll take the pills so you can see them all. Then get your blue like this, empty blue. Then put the pillows in. Then you will need a square, the color that is the duck, and the pre-pre that's yellow. You can take. I will take a half. You can take more than half, but I just take a half. Okay, now we squish, and we fatten. Now we keep fatten. Okay, spread out, and spread out. Spread out. Okay, now we need the duck color and cut out a bunch of duck. One. Done.
Or you can just put the plate on top of the duck and just peel the plate off.
There, one duck. Now we got a little more duck to go. Put it on the C. There. Now we squish again and flatten it out. Sorry guys, I don't know how to go speed mode, so You have to watch me do the whole thing. Okay, let's keep cutting out. Cutting. There. Be careful when you cut get the duck out. There. Another one. We only need 2 ducks. And boom, you gotta see. You can add more animals, but you need a big. You might need a bigger pool. So, bye guys. And if you follow with me, your pool should look like this. Bye. So, bye.